relation is nothing but the subset of the Cartesian product, and the subset is derived from the Cartesian product. So relation, it is indicated by R. R is a subset of A cross B. A relation R from A to B is a subset of what? Cartesian product. Simply we can say it is a subset of Cartesian product, and this subset is derived by giving a specific connection between the first element and second element of the ordered pair. So which we call it as a relation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ? Relation. Then the collection of the first element for the domain, which we call it as a domain, the collection of all the first element. So collection of all the first element is called as the domain. And next, range. So for what we call as the range means, so collection of all the images of the first elements. So that is called as the range. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ? Range ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So this already we have discussed. Next we come to that is how many relation we can form from a Cartesian product. ಈ Cartesian product ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು relation ಮಾಡಬಹುದು from A to B. So that number of subsets how many number of subsets we can form. So that number of so that is the relation we can form from A to B. So here we take that is a note theory. Note the total number of relation total number of relation from A to B is so that is 2 raised to number of elements in A cross B. Number of elements in A cross B. So it can also be written, already we know that 2 into number of elements in A cross B is nothing but n of A into n of B. So if we want to find out the total number of relation from A to B is 2 raised to n of A into n of B. So this is the formula we are using for finding the number of relation from A to B is nothing but 2 raised to number of elements in A cross B. A cross B ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. So with the help of that we can form the number of relation. Why? Because the relation is always a subset of A cross B. So this much number of relation we can form. Suppose if we have that is number of elements in A is 2 and number of elements in B is 3, then so total number of relation can be formed. Total number of relation from A to B. So total number of relation from A to B, and they have given number of elements in A and number of elements is equal to what? 2 raised to n of A into n of B. Number of elements in A into number of elements in B. N of A how many elements? 2 elements. N of B how many elements? So 3 elements. 3 elements we have. That is 2 raised to 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 means we know already what we mean by 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 4 andre 16. 2 raised to 5 andre 16 2s are 32. 32s are 64. So we are forming that is a 64 relations we can form with the help of number of elements in A is 2 and number of elements in B is 3. So this is about the total number of relation which we can form from A to B is 64 if we have a number of elements in A is 2, number of elements in B is 3. So next we move to that. After this we are going to study that is the exercise number 2.2. exercise 2.2. So we are next we move to that is so exercise number 2.2. So the first question we are discussing, let E is equal to, they have given 1, 2, 3, so on up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A itself. A is A, same side. So relation from same side to same side by R is equal to, that is x comma y is such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y belongs to A. Write down its domain. Write down its domain, and codomain and range. So here what we have to find out, write its domain, codomain and range. So we have already known about the domain and range. So first what they have given, the given relation are in the set builder form. Set builder form. If it is in set builder form, so then what we have to do? We have to bring that into the roster form. Then it will become a very easy to identify what's its domain, what its range and its codomain. So but here we have to rewrite the given relation in a roster, that is in a set builder form. So how we write that is x comma y such that we make that y is equal to 3x. It will become a very easy for finding the pairs. Easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y is equal to 3x. ಇದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ y equal to 3x where x comma y belongs to A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ದಾನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎರಡು. Write the pairs. So start putting that. We are taking that is put x equal to 1 comma. So 1 if you put here, x into is in place of x, if you put that is 1 into 3. So y becomes the second element becomes the 3. Next 2, if you put 2 then 2 into 3 that is 6 we got. Next 3 into 3 9 we got. Next so 4 into 3 that is 12. Next so 5 3s are 15, but 15 is not there. What is the condition? X and y should be belongs to A. 15 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So this completes the given relation. So we have written the given relation in the roster form. Now we have to identify its domain and range. ಇದರದ್ದು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಂಜ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ collection of all the first element. ಇದ್ರಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದ ಡೊಮೇನ್ is equal to ಏನ್ರಿ collection of all the first element 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 that is the first element. Next what about the range? Range is equal to images, the collection of all the images. So collection of all the images for which we call as the image, second element is called as the image of the first element. What about the second element? 3 6 9 12. So the collection of all the second element is called as the range of the relation 3 6 9 12. So this is the range. Then what about the codomain? Codomain ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The second set. Which is the second set? A to A itself. So A itself becomes the codomain. Therefore the codomain the codomain codomain of relation R is A itself. Why? Because the second set A itself is there. So we, for what relation we have on a second set, that will become the codomain of the given relation. So this is about the first problem. So you have to keep in mind how to find out the domain and range. Simple. So first, how the given relation is there, that we have to identify, whether in a set builder form or a roster form. If it is in set builder, bring to the roster, and in the roster form we can easily identify the domain and range, and we can easily write its codomain. So the collection of all the first element of the relation is called as the domain. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? Domain ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Range ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Second element, collection of all the second element is called as the range. 3, 6, 9, 11, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. This is called as a range. Then we come to the codomain. Codomain means, so the codomain of the relation R is the set A itself, for which we call as a codomain the second set. From where to where it is going now, that second set is called as the, so the codomain of the given relation. So next we move to the another example. Define a relation. Second problem. Define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers by R is equal to x comma y, such that y is equal to x plus 5. X belongs to, x is a natural number less than 4, and x comma y belongs to the natural number. X comma y belongs to the natural number. X comma y belongs to the natural number. So what they have given, so next what they ask means, write down its the domain and range. Write down the domain and the range domain and range we have to find out. So domain, range content, relation R is equal to ಏನೈತೆ, x is a natural number less than 4. Which are the natural number less than 4? That we know, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the natural number less than or equal to 4. But here what they have given, less than 4 means which are the number, 1 and 2 and 3. So those are the natural number which is less than 4. So next here we have to find out, that is how they have given. They have given in the set builder form. So we have to write in a roster form. Then only it is possible to find the domain and range. So first what we have to take, 1 is a natural number. So for 1 what we have, where there is x we have to put 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So that is y is equal to 6. Like this we have to find out. Next, so 2 is a natural number which is less than 4. 2, if you put 2, what will get? 2 plus 5, that is the 7. Next, so again 3 is less than 4 however. So 3 have 3 plus 5, that is equal to 3 plus 5, 8. So it is completed. So there is no more number which is less than 4. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅದು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 4 ಇರಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಗಿವನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ domain of the relation of the relation domain of the relation is equal to ಏನ್ರಿ 1 2 and 3 1 2 and 3. Next, range of the relation range of the relation range of the relation is equal to second element ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ ಅವು ಏನಾದವ್ರಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Images of the first element are called as the range. 6 7 8 6 7 8 ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ? ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ x and y ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ is also a natural number. Then we say that codomain is the natural number itself. If suppose they ask us that, here it is not. So next we move to the another problem. Second problem. Second problem is over. Next we come to that is the third problem. So a is equal to 1 2 3 5 and b is equal to 4 6 9. Define a relation. Define a relation R from A to B by R is equal to, so that is x comma y, the difference between x and y is odd. X belongs to A, comma y belongs to B. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. So this is a given. So next we take that is the what we have to find out. So it's a domain and range of the function. So we have to write it in a roster form. And also find the domain and range. So first what they have given from A to B. So means x belongs to A and y belongs to A, B. We have to find out the difference between x and y is odd. So difference ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x minus y ಇದು odd ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Either positive odd or negative odd, but it should be odd. So here we come to know that 1 minus, if we take that is x is 1 1 minus y. So y means we can select any number of this. 1 minus 4, what we are getting? 3. Minus 3 it is. So it is an odd number. So next 1 minus 6. So that is minus 5. It is an odd number. 1 minus 9, that is 8. So means this will not get. 1 minus 9, 8, even I 3. Andre yava 1 3. 1 comma 4 1 3, 1 comma 6 1 3. So we will write in a roster form first the given relation in the roster form. So that is 1 comma 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 4 that is 3. 3 is odd number. ಇವು ಎರಡರದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ odd number ಹೇಳಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ x and y. x ಮತ್ತು y ದ ನಡವರ್ಕಿನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು odd ಇರಬೇಕು. So that either positive or negative, the difference should be odd. So that is next. So 1 comma 6 ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? So 1 comma 6, 6 minus 1, that is the difference. 6 minus 1, 5. So that is 5 is odd number or not? 1 comma 6. But 1 comma 9 is not possible. Why? Because the difference is even number. So that order pair will not get here. Next we take the 2 comma 4 not get. Why? Because there is a even, so difference is there. 2 comma 6, it is also even. 2 comma 9, so okay, there we get the 7. 2 comma 9, 7 is an odd number ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? 3 comma 4, so it will get 3 comma 4 and 3 comma 6, okay, and so 9 comma 3, so that is 9 minus 3 6, it will not come. Next, so 3 is over. Next what we have? 5 comma 4. So next difference 1 ಐತಿ. So 5 comma 6 difference, so again it will get. So 5 comma 9 it will not get. Why? Because the difference is even. Difference ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? even ಐತಿ. ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? even ಐತ್ರಿ. ಅದರ ನಡಬರ್ಕಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ, ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಈವನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪೇರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ ಏನು ಹೇಳ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ x and y is ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವು ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 4 minus 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. 4 ಮತ್ತು 5 ನಡುವರ್ಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. 1 ಇವನ್ ಆಡ್ ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 5 ಮತ್ತು 9 ತೋರಿ. 5 ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ಮತ್ತು 9 ನಡುವರ್ಕ್ 4 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನ್ರಿ? ಇವನ್ ಬರೋದು. So this completes the ordered pair. We have written all the ordered pair in roster. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಸೊ ಇದರದ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೊಮೇನ್ is equal to domain in collection of the all the first element. 1 ಐತಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೆಟ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 2 3 5. So this completes the domain. Next, range. What is the range of this relation? Range is equal to, that is second element ಏನದ? 4 6 9. So it is over. That is 4 6 9. So this is about the domain and range. So this completes the problem. Next we move to, that is the that is the fourth problem. So fourth, determine the domain and range of the relation by defined by defined by r is equal to x comma x plus 5 x comma x plus 5. So x belongs to, so they have given 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have to find the domain and range of the relation. Domain and the range of the relation. Nodri relation in bardandri set builder format bardandri. Set builder format bardanandra adrad ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ರೇಂಜ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ r is equal to x ಏನು ತೋರಿ 0 ತೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂದ್ರಾಗೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x 0 ತೋರಿ, ಎರಡರಾಗೂ x x ಎಲ್ಲಿವರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಹೊರಗಿನ ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 0 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದು. 0 ಆಗಿ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 5. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ x ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 2. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 7. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 8. ಸೊ 4 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9. ಸೊ 5 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ 5 5 10. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮುಗಿದು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಬರೀದ್ರಿ. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೊಮೈನ್? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 0 1 2 3 4 5. So next range. Range is equal to, so 5 6 7 8 9. So that is 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is the second range. ಏನಂತೇಳಿ second element, collection of the second elements in 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that collection is called as the range, and the domain is nothing but the collection of all the first element of the relation is called as the range of the given function. So this is about the, so and still, so 1 2 3 4 problems, 5 problems are left. So tomorrow we'll discuss about those 5 problems. And suppose one ray diagram is there, we have to give the relation for that. Ray diagram entry, a ray diagram ta ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ set roster form they have given in the ray diagram. First we have to write them in a roster form, how they have given the pair, and after that, so using that order pair we have to express that in a set builder form. So that will give us a, so we have to convert that relation in a roster and set builder form and also roster form. Write its domain and range. Adardu domain ಬರಿಬೇಕ್ರಿ, range ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So let me discuss about that in the next class.